last video I have told you the Bode magnitude plot for a first order numerator, that is 1 plus st. So its a magnitude plot is basically a combination of two straight line, that is one is a 0 dB line up to corner frequency, and after corner frequency it is a straight line having slope plus 20 dB per decade. So let us move to the next factor, that is instead of a single factor of 1 plus st, that is first order factor in numerator, if there are multiple number of first order factors, that is 1 plus st to the power n, then what will be my Bode magnitude plot? So my Bode magnitude plot will be exactly same. It is a combination of two straight line. One straight line is at 0 dB up to corner frequency, and after corner frequency the slope will change to plus 20 n dB per decade. This n value will represent the term here, that is if my factor is 1 plus s2 to the power square or 2, then my slope will be 20 into 2, that is plus 40 dB per decade. So if we see the conclusion, the magnitude plot is a straight line of 0 magnitude when omega t is less than equals to 1, that is omega t less than equal to 1, and for omega t greater than 1, a straight line with a slope of plus 20 n dB per decade, that is after corner frequency, and the two straight line meet at corner frequency, that is omega c is equals to 1 by t. Okay, let's move to quadratic factor. If there is a quadratic factor in the denominator, then how the Bode magnitude plot will look like for this particular factor? So these are the mathematical derivations. I will give the conclusion. The conclusion is it is also a straight line. It is a combination of two straight line. That is, one straight line will be 0 dB line up to corner frequency, and since there is a quadratic factor, so and it is in a denominator, therefore this straight line after corner frequency will have a slope of minus 40 dB per decade. Okay, then next one is quadratic factor in numerator. If there is a quadratic factor in a numerator in the transfer function, then its Bode magnitude plot will be similarly, it is a combination of two straight line up to corner frequency. The straight line is on 0 dB line, and after corner frequency, since it is in numerator, so it has a slope of plus 40 dB per decade. So we have discussed in the last two videos, so what are the possible factors that may come in a transfer function and its Bode magnitude plot. So from the starting of a Bode plot, as I had already told you, that in Bode plot, basically in a magnitude plot, we are taking magnitude in dB. If we take in dB, then it will be 20 log of something. So if we are taking the log of each factor, then we will find the magnitude plot for individual factors, like we had already discussed the magnitude plot for constant k. Similarly, 1 plus st term, that is 0 in numerator, poles in a denominator. So we already know the magnitude plots for all these factors. Then what we will do, so when there will be a transfer function containing all these factor, we will simply add the individual magnitude plots of all the factors, and the resultant plot that will be obtained will be my final Bode plot. So we will get a clear idea when we look at the different problems that we are going to solve right now.